Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Me Neelam Eman, senior teacher of middle section, class 7, subject maths, date 12 January 2021. Chapter number 6, congruence and similarity. Now what is symmetric figure means? Today our topic is congruent figures. Our objectives are: we will able to examine whether two figures are congruent, solve simple problem involving congruence. Now what is congruent figure means? In geometry, two figures or objects are congruent if they have the same shape and size. If one has the same shape and size as the mirror image of the other. This is symbol of congruent figures. When two things are said to be congruent, it means that all of their measurements are identical. A square that has the sides measuring 4 inches will be congruent to another square that also has 4-inch sides. Even if the other square is placed in a different place, the two squares are still congruent to each other. All sides of a square are equal. So, if the length of one square is 5 cm, then the length of the second square is also 5 cm. In simple words, we say that two objects are congruent if they have exactly same shape and same size. The examples of congruent objects are these. They have the same shape and the same size. Now, open your textbook, page number 160 and 161. Here is exercise 6a. Look at the question number 1, and the question is that which pairs of shapes are congruent? Look at the figure carefully. Here A and F have the same shape and same size. So the A and F are congruent. B and J have the same shape. So B is congruent to J. Now look at the C. Here E has the same shape like C. So C and E are congruent. D and G have the same shape and same size. So both are congruent. I and K are congruent because they have the same shape and same size. Now the answer of first question is that A is congruent to F, B is congruent to J, C is congruent to E, D is congruent to G, I is congruent to K. Now move on question number 2. Look at the figures and observe each sides. Compare the length of one figure with the second figure and find the size of all sides of second figure. PT equal to VZ, PQ equal to VW, TS equal to YZ, R is equal to XY, PQR equal to VWX. Given that PQRST is congruent to WXYZ. Copy and complete each of the following. PQ equal to VW and the length of PQ is 3.5 cm. So the length of VW is also 3.5 cm. The length of PT is 2 cm and PT is congruent to VZ. The congruent of QR is WX and the length of QR is 3.5 cm. TS is congruent to ZY. The length of ZY is 2.1 cm because the length of ZY is 2.1 cm. Now SR is congruent to YX as YX is congruent to SR. The length of YX is 2 cm because YX is congruent to SR. Now the angle of PQR is 90 degree and PQR is congruent to VWX. So the angle of VWX is 90 degree. Now move on the question number 3. And the question number 3 is that given that EFGH is congruent to LMNO, write down the all missing numbers. Locate the figure carefully. Here side EH equal to OL, side GH is congruent to NO, and the measurement of GH is 2.4 centimeter. Angle FEH is congruent to angle MLO, and that is 100 degree. Angle FGH is congruent to angle MNO, so the angle on end point is 75 degree. Side MN is congruent to FG. The length of FG is 5 centimeter. Angle LMN is congruent to angle EFG, and the angle at F point is 65 degree. Angle NLO is congruent to angle GHE, and the angle at H point is 120 degree. The answer of question number 3 is that since EFGH is congruent to angle LMNO, then the corresponding vertices match. Corresponding means the same measurement. We observe that EF is congruent to LM. The length of LM is 3.4 centimeter. So the length of EF is also 3.4 centimeter. The length of NO is 2.4 centimeter and GH is congruent to NO. So the length of GH is also 2.4 centimeter. Now angle FEH is 100 degree because FEH is congruent to angle MLO and angle MLO is 100 degree. Now angle FGH is congruent to angle MNO, so the angle FGH is also 75 degree. Side MN is corresponding to FG, so the size of length MN is 5 centimeter. Side OL is corresponding to HE, so the length of side OL is 3 centimeter. Angle LMN is corresponding to angle EFG, so the angle of LMN is 65 degree. Now angle NOL is corresponding to angle GHE and the angle of NOL is 120 degree. Our success criteria is that remember two figures are congruent if they have exactly same shape and same size. Your written work is that do textbook page number 160 and 161, exercise number 6A, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Note, do exercise 6A, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Draw the figures on copy or you can paste the photocopy of figures. Your homework is that do textbook page number 160 and 161, exercise 6A, question number 4, part A. Note, do homework of exercise 6A, question number 4 on a loose sheet. Thank you so much, students. If you have any query, you may ask.